Another property for sale. This is 4.9 hectares or 49,000 square meters at 50 pesos per square meter. Tingata ni, anong barato ni. Located in Barangay Ulango, Aluginsan, Cebu. Approximately 500 meters away from the barangay road. So, mapo na diferensya guys. Barato siya, mura siya, pero dahil malayo ang sa kalsada. It's interior lot. Nandyan siya sa loob, no? But according to the owner, they have already agreement with the adjacent plots and the barangay that they will create a road right or a barangay road traversing to their property. So, nagka-ano sila ng barangay, nagkasundo na magbigay sila ng lupa para madaanan, magawa ng road right of way or madaanan ang property nila. Sa hindi lang sa kanya, yung sa mga iba rin. Kasi nandyan sila sa loob. Pero ito guys, it's really a very affordable or cheap. Barato. Kasi yung mga properties diyan, yung mga along the road, are ranging already from 300 to 500 pesos per square meter. So, kung itotal natin ito, it's around 2.4 million plus. I think it can be still negotiable. So, pwede ito. I-finalize lang natin kasi may na-inquire kanina. Bukas kung magkano talaga hanggang kailan. Kailan naman. Hanggang saan talaga ang the lowest price. So, yan lang po. The property has coconut trees, banana trees, and other assorted fruit trees. Guyabano, lemon. So, it is around 500 meters. So, I think it's around 30 minutes walk. Or less than 30 minutes. Depende man yan sa paglakad natin kung ano tayo. Malakas tayo maglakad. So, madali lang. So, 500 meters. Just think about it. 500 meters. It's half kilometer. Half. So, yun po. Pero mga tao dyan, nandyan nakatira, ano na sila, parang wala lang yan sa kanila. Parang ano lang yan, simple lang sa kanila yan, distance. So, as for me, this is really a good investment, guys. Investment talaga because Cebu yan Cebu City. It's Cebu province. It's part of Cebu. Southern part of Cebu. It's around 30 or 20 to 30 minutes drive from Carcar City. And if you're from Cebu City, I think it's around 2 hours drive. So, ganyan lang talaga kalayo. Except those traffic pag may traffic, hindi natin yan. So, maganda to. I repeat, it's 49,000 square meters. So, pwede kayo magkambingan, piggery, poultry. So, maganda ito. Nasa loob. Walang makaano sa iyo. So, marami kang magagawa dito. Farming or any kinds of crops. So, I repeat, it's 50 pesos per square meter. So, let's say negotiable. Pwede pa yan. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me. And please subscribe our YouTube channel. It is tax declaration, guys. Pero I check already to the DENR. It's really E&D. Alienable and disposable. So, pwede ito matitulo. Thank you.